The forest is in danger. We should go quickly. Are you ready to go quickly now?
An acorn? I knew it! Cursed, miserable, deceitful trees! They're hiding my acorn!
You have acorns?
Nonsense, fool! It's simple. The eternal life source is actually a giant acorn! See? And it's being hidden in a filthy forest by a band of despicable bark-covered betrayers who are obviously out to get me!
The trees?
Of course, the trees! What do you think I'm talking about? Oh, how I hate them! Standing there all day, looking so innocent, soaking up sunlight, plotting and scheming, just waiting to meddle in my plans! Well, not this time, Glumshanks. Not this time! Call out my lumberjack trolls!
Oh, what? To cut down a few trees?
No, not a few trees, you nerd. Cut them all down! I want that acorn!
Those terrible trolls are attacking the great ancients with teeth machines. Oh, this is the most horrible feeling I have ever had in my brief existence so far. We must stop them from cutting any more down or discovering the eternal life source.
Skylanders of the Tech Element. And are stronger in this zone. Use the rockets to destroy those ghastly tree-cutting machines. Today, there are dozens of brave Skylanders, and in the past, hundreds more. But the most powerful of all Skylanders were the Elder Elementals. These giants possessed powers of light and darkness within their flesh. No one has seen an Elder Elemental in centuries, but there are rumors that they will return someday. Skylanders of the life element are stronger in this zone. Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone. Skylanders of the life element are stronger in this zone. You need an Earth Skylander to unlock this gate. Skylanders of the Earth element are stronger in this zone. Skylanders of the life element. But you need an Earth Skylander to unlock this gate. You must find rockets to destroy the big chainsaws, Portal Master.
You again, foolish Portal Master Imposter. Wait, Portal Imposter. Yes, I like the sound of that. But you are still doomed! Doomed, I tell you! You will never possess the eternal life source. Never! You face my powerful evil life minion. Now I will laugh while it both powerfully and evilly ends yours. Go on. Get on with it.
Boom, boom, ahead! Taking the world by storm!
Okay, forget the life minion. You won't beat this, because I, Lost, summon my unbeatable deadly life spell of death. You can dodge a few things you can see. Big deal. What about things you can't?
Knock, knock. Too late.
Yeah, that's all right. I have something even more evil in mind. More evil and unbeatable than ever before. I summon my totally unbeatable deadly evil life spell of ultimate death. unbeatable, deadly, evil lifestyle of ultimate death. I mean, never mind. What? Where? How dare you use blind luck against me? Chaos! Well, even if you can't see, your luck is about to run out.
Here comes the smash!
Stupid, deceitful trees! I hate them! I hate them! Even the evil ones! Arrgh. Obviously, I have slightly underestimated. It won't happen again! I call upon my most powerful and evil light spell of all. So powerful, I dare not speak its name. I summon. Here it is, then. Too bad! Behold! You have got to be kidding me! Like minions, all at once, make this imposter sorry he ever heard the glorious name of Chaos! Attack!
Super smash!
Yeah, fine! Take the eternal light source. You'll never get to use it. You just better watch your back, because I'll be watching you too. Unless you're coming towards me, then I'll be watching your front. Either way, you watched. Fight me!
I fear the darkness is growing and the core of light is not yet complete. But now you bring the eternal life source, whose true power lies within.
What a remarkable creation.
We are all remarkable creations.
Some more remarkable than others. Like me. Boom!
4 down, 4 to go. We must find the remaining eternal sources before they fall into Chaos's hands.
Situation report. Who's in charge here? In charge? Why, I'm in charge. Of the ladies, that is. Believe it. Stow the flabber jabber, son. I'm looking for a Skylander. Ah, excellent. I am General Robot, and we've got a flustercuff of a situation. It seems the trolls are keeping something unknown in a heavily guarded warehouse. Skyland's intel believes that it's some sort of gear that may have originated from this here location.
That's not just any gear. It's a golden gear. The golden gear. We need it to rebuild the core of light.
This is even more serious than I expected. You see, the enemy is crafty and has the advantage. Temporarily, of course. And we do not at this time have the firepower to evac said gear to a safe location behind our lines to reconnoiter. We need your help, soldier. Can I count on you?